Guys, Mike from Pattern Traders. Quick update. So we took liquidity as we expected at our 52K range, and then we completely nuked afterwards. So that's a good spot for us to assume that a temporary top is in. We did get a decent retracement back down. If you look at it from a higher time frame, so now where's BTC going? What are we expecting? Okay, so let's not do the whole thing all over again. Since you guys already know the game plan that I have, we are looking at open up your VWAPs, right? So looking at the VWAP situation, turn all this nonsense off because we don't really need this. By the way, guys, the Discord is opened until Sunday. Anybody wants to join us, come by, hang out with us. We're trying to help everybody grab this long going up or the short going down. We were all live yesterday. Everybody went short with us. So our main short was at this level over here. Target was the VWAP number 1, and the second target's going to be under this cluster, right? So anyway, going back to looking at the VWAPs, the main objective here is that these VWAPs need to fill. See how they're not filled? There's 3 left. 1, 2, 3. They need to fill. I'm not telling you they're going to fill now, but in regards to price action, eventually they need to fill. So when we were up here, our main target was to fill this VWAP, and we did. Right now, I'm still sitting at 50% of my shorts. I'm going to take a portion off over here, and I'm going to take the remainder off somewhere down here, depending on how we react if we get down here, right? All right, so let's close all this out. Let's start plotting these lines so we have them. Do it quickly because I want the video to be under 10 minutes. Previous day V. Make this green. There's only 3 left, guys. 1, 2. I think Irmo's still live on voice chat in the members group. So if you guys want to tune in, go ahead. It's free. It's open. Okay, close that. Open up your high-low. Identify your range. Monday high. Monday low. Monday low. Bottom. Weekly open, which is also your monthly open. Don't forget that, guys. Weekly, monthly open. Identify that. Weekly, monthly open. Make this gold. Make this gold or orange, whatever you want to call that. Done. Okay, this is your range, guys. Now, turn this off. That's it. Very simple. We're in Monday range. That's not fucking bullish, guys. Be careful. What the fuck's going on down here? I don't know what that is, but anyway. So trend line, black, dash, okay, beautiful trend line. If this thing breaks, yeah, we're under the 1 hour TMA band. Good, good, good. That's exactly what I want to see. All right, so now what are we looking at? Well, we have a 2 hour order block. I'm not going to paint this hard. I'm going to paint this gray because it's not. Where's my supply zone? That's my supply zone. Supply meaning that there's a lot of liquidity up there. So if we do happen to get up there, I'm shorting this. Take your wick. Okay, that's 1 wick that needs to get taken. This just got taken, and then this is another wick that needs to get taken in my opinion, right there. So 2 hour order block, 4 hour supply zone. What is the most logical thing for us to do right now? Ooh, this song is fire. Hopefully they don't ban this video too. YouTube is so corny, man. They banned the last 2 videos I made because of music. Bastards. Alright, so 2 hour order block. We get above this, easy scalp long. Target your 4 hour block. We have a penguin here. Remember what we said about the penguins? Penguins have to be taken, right? There was a penguin here that we took. We took it with this little cluster over here. This led to the penguin being taken. Okay, so now if we get above the 2 hour order block, you want to target the pink zone, which is your 4 hour, which also will fill this VWAP. Now, what happens if we die over here, right? We go down, retest, easy, down here. Take your fib level, boom, Bada bing, bada boom. 7.9, beautiful. So if we do happen to get something like this, you want to long the reclaim of the weekly open, and then you want to target the 55K range. It's too beautiful if this happens. It'll be the easiest long that we're going to take when this happens, if this happens, right? So now I'm looking to long weekly open, long weekly open, or the previous day VWAP. One of these two things, long them, assuming that the weekly open holds for us, right? Something like this, not exactly this, but something like this. Okay, if it comes. Now, we should get, ideally what happens when you get a second top like this, see how we're starting to curl on the lowers, 30-minute completely like reset. This is going to be your safe long when it comes, this little over under. This goes like this goes down, this retest, this is your safe long, right? On the micro for a scalp. So if this happens to be a scalp long, I'm assuming that we're going to probably do something like this. Come down here, scalp long back up, retest, and then die. That'll be your swing long to target that. Alright? So this is the map, this is what I'm playing with. You do not want to long unless you get above this 2-hour order block. It's big resistance, guys, or unless you get at least to the golden zone down here. There you go, guys. This is it. This is the map. This is what you should play. This is all you need on your chart right now. This is all a chop fest. See what happens if we break down. See what happens if we break above Monday high and we retest this 2-hour order block. We break it. We break down. That's an easy short. You short this, right? Or you wait until we get above this. You long this, and your target is this up here, right? And then I'm filling shorts up here to come down. Whatever we do up here, if we get to here. If we get to the 55K range, guys, before we get down here, I'm filling shorts up, and I'm going to target this range in the bottom over here. Okay? So be cautious, be careful. Otherwise, it's a chop fest. Ethereum looks stronger than BTC does. But again, until we break this trend line, nothing to worry about. This is like a nice little deviation, which is beautiful if this actually breaks down like this, right? That's it. I'll post this in... actually, I already posted it in Discord. And also, there's one more thing I want to show you guys. This level up here. Right there. Very important, guys. If we get back up here. Very important. Right there. That's very important when we get up there. 56 to 57, I think it is. 56,000, yeah. So let's see what happens, man. So far, that's what I'm eyeing right now. If we break down, we long it. Long anywhere you want in the weekly open VWAP area. Safer. The lower you go, the better it is. The best long opportunity will be if we do happen to sweep this low over here, which is the low that led to the impulse up. Otherwise, if you guys want to front run all the longs, just long the golden zone, the golden pocket, which is 46.6 and 46.3. But I'm going to be patient with this because this looks pretty terrible. Oscillator wise, yeah, the lowers look like they want to reset, but overall, man, yeah, I see it's still pointing down. So we're probably getting a little bit more downside to come. All right, guys, cheers. Again, don't forget, the Discord is open until Sunday. Join. The link is in... I'll post the link actually again on Telegram for you guys, but it's in the comments. I mean, in the description of the video. Cheers, guys. Be safe.